Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today my grandma is here to show us how to make vetkoek. Vetkoek is a traditional South African dish and translated to English, it is a cake baked in fat. It comes from a time before vegetable oil where it was baked in melted fat. Today we bake it in cooking oil. It is very similar to a donut and is popular all over South Africa. It can be filled with both a savoury or sweet filling of your liking. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. You will need the following: 5 cups of white bread flour, 30 ml of butter, 1 3/4 of a cup of lukewarm water, 30 ml of powdered milk, I will be using Cremora, 10 grams of dry yeast, 4 teaspoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix all the ingredients together. Add the water little by little. Let the dough rise until double in size. Knead down the dough. Gooi olie op die oppervlak. Hoekom gebruik ouma olie in die meel nie?
As jy meel gebruik, hy laat jou olie borrel.
Flatten the dough with your hands until about 1.5 centimeter. Use a 8.5 centimeter cookie cutter to cut out the vetkoek. Gaan die deeg weer met rys?
Hy kan 'n bietjie rys, hy kan, en dan maak hy hom net lekker. Gooi net so 'n bietjie toe.
Ouma, hoekom moet dit nie 'n nat lappie wees nie?
Hierdie kan jy op, maar hy gaan nou dadelik, ons gaan ons nou bak, nie dat hy gaan staan. Heat the oil. The oil will be ready when it takes the dough 10 seconds to float, or when it reaches 130 to 140 degrees Celsius. Maar jy moet nie te warm hê nie, want dan brand hy.
Before cooking, flatten the dough a bit. Hoe gaan allemaal nou die olie boor?
Gooi jy maar, word hy, rys hy mooi in. Zie jy kan hou, pop by hy.
Is wanneer hy reg is.
Kijk, hy is bruin. En as jy druk, gaan hy skoon opkom. Keep regulating the oil temperature. The challenge of baking vetkoek is to determine when the oil is the correct temperature. When the vetkoek is too dark and it's still raw on the inside, the oil is too hot. When the vetkoek is too light, it is too cold and the vetkoek will absorb too much oil. Vetkoek should be a light golden color. I've decided to fill it with mince, a savoury filling, but it works just as well with a little bit of condensed milk or even cheese and jam.
I want to thank my grandma for showing us how to make this delicious Vetkoek. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.